Hi viewers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to share a breakfast recipe which you can also pack for kids lunchbox. Creamy pumpkin pasta. To prepare this recipe, I have not used milk, butter, cheese, mayonnaise, onion or flour. It's a healthy pasta recipe. Do give it a try. To prepare this recipe, in a mixie jar, add 1 cup of steamed pumpkin. On top of it, add 50 grams of homemade paneer, cottage cheese. Next, we need to add pepper powder. I have taken half spoon of pepper powder. Based on the spiciness you require, you can add pepper powder. Next, we need to add half spoon of salt. Add 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Now, blend all together well and make it into a fine paste as shown in the video. Now, our sauce is ready. Now, take a pan, add 30 ml of oil. Later, add half a capsicum finely chopped. You can add red and yellow capsicum as well. Sort them until they turn into golden brown color. Today I am preparing for a quantity of 3 members. You can increase or decrease the quantities based on your requirements. Now add the prepared paste and give a nice mix. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the raw aroma disappears. Now it's time to add cooked pasta. I have taken 1 cup of pasta, boiled it until they become soft by adding little salt. Strain the excess water. Add 2 to 3 spoons of oil on top of cooked pasta so that it doesn't stick together. Add the cooked pasta and give a nice mix. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. That's it, very simple, healthy breakfast cum kids lunchbox recipe pumpkin pasta is ready to serve. I have transferred the prepared pumpkin pasta in a serving plate. For crunchiness, I have added pumpkin seeds. You can also add your choice of seeds. If you like this video, please give a like and share to your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get to know many interesting recipes. I have shared many interesting recipes in this channel. I will provide all the recipe links series wise in the description box below. Please do check on the same. Let me meet you again in my upcoming interesting recipe. Thanks for watching.